I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Once again this year, Tammy from Peacecraft Dolls is doing the challenge where each month she gives us a word, and we do something dolly with that word. This month is goals, so I'm taking that to mean goals of our channel. I need to start getting back to working with other dolls because I do an awful lot of Blythe because that's where my heart is. I have a couple little sayings. One is, it always comes back to Blythe, and the other one is, Blythe looks good in anything. I don't care what you put on a Blythe doll, they're cute. Probably why I like them so well. One of the goals on our channel is we are building a couple of 1/3 scale. Oh, I didn't bring her head out. Well, that can be a surprise. A 1/3 scale BJD doll that Darren has 3D printed. We're actually going to try to do 2. And these are the pieces. What happened was we were going really well and he was building. This is hours and hours of 3D printing time. How long does it take to print a Neo Blythe stand or Barbie stand?
About 2.5 hours.
About 2.5 hours. So you can imagine how long, I'm just gonna break it yet, how long it takes to print each of these pieces. Darren redid the breasts on the dolls. They looked, the one that we were working with looked like a, I don't know, 45-year-old woman that had breastfed 3 kids. So we perked her up a bit, and the 3D machine went out for like 3 weeks. And so now it's up and running again, so we're gonna get started and get this together and get it strung. I bought some shoes from AliExpress. Actually, I bought some clothes too. I have other AliExpress 1/3 size dolls, so I have clothes and shoes and what have you. They're very fun dolls, the 1/3 size, and I hope to do more with those this coming year. Thank you, Tammy, for another challenge this month, and I look forward to the other 11 coming up, and they will be here quick. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.